everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Vincent.
This is Freya.
Okay, today I will show you around about our factory. And our production base is very large. It covers an area 60,000 square meters. Let's take an overview of our factory. And there are our office buildings, playground, and canteen. There are also many trucks picking up goods almost every day, which makes our daily life very busy.
At present, Oreelaser has more than 1,000 excellent employees, and the customer service team is composed of more than 200 people. We can offer 24 hours online and offline technical services in multiple languages, which means there is no need to worry about after-sales problems. Now, you can see a lot of goods are ready to ship, and our product base is very large. Now, there is a machine ready to ship. Let's check it out, which model it is. Okay, this one is ORE4025 model. It is with a exchange table. Okay, let's go. And this is number 9 workshop. Okay, and then it's number 10 workshop. This workshop is for tube laser cutting machine. Okay, and then we'll turn to number 11 workshop.
At present, Oreelaser laser cutting machine production annual can reach more than 2,000. Let's check the world map. We have been exporting laser cutting machine to the United States, Russia, Poland, Vietnam, Malaysia, and other 150 countries and regions. And Oreelaser gradually releasing the expansion of a global business. I hope you guys can support Ore more, and we will also provide you best services to you. Okay, now let's go to our showroom. The front is our showroom, and it shows the common models of our laser cutting machine. This big machine in my right hand is our H series. It is special for high power laser cutting machine, more than 6,000 watts. Okay, have a look at this machine. This is our FM 1.5 thousand watt. This is the main part of this today's activities. Let's take a look of the overview appearance. This machine is loved by customer for his cost performance and easy to learn operation.
You may ask why the machine is named FM 3015. 3000 means the length of the machine is 3000 millimeters. And we will show you the details. Open the protective cover. And we can see the logo of the laser head, Retools. Retools has high market shares and outstanding recognition with global network to carry you at each corner. And the laser head has The laser head has a built-in intelligence and incorporation, real-time sensing, feedback control loop, and adjustment feedback capabilities. And then is the beam.
Okay, let's check the cross beam. This part is our cross beam. This is another important part for the laser cutting machine. Its dynamic performance is related to the laser cutting quality directly. Oreelaser uses the 5th generation aviation aluminum beam probe in order to optimize the structure stability and its dynamic performance. Oreelaser ensures the stability of the structure of the beam and after monitoring for 30 days, observed the stability and dynamic performance. Finally, the 5th generation aviation beam probe was developed successfully, and the beam and base connected by fixing structure. The gap is locked, and its internal structure is very stronger. Okay, let's open it. This black part, in both sides of the working bed, is organ cover. The main function of the organ cover is dust-proof and flame retardant. And we can see the gear rail and rack. The brand of the gear rail is Highwind and the rack is YYC. These two brands are well-known brands in the world. More than that, we have 3 layers of anti-collision protection. Soft element, hard element, and mechanical element. We can see this yellow block. This is our second layer of anti-collision, hard element.
And as we all know, the cutting table is the basic for a fiber laser cutting machine to ensure the stable operation. And for this model, we are using a high-strength steel plug-in welding bed. First, we'd like to talk about the firmness. For making a firm table, we are used a groove welding procedure to achieve constant stress welding, which makes the bed with high tensile strength sturdy and durable, and the welding seam will not break.
Okay, have you seen this one? This is our standard water chiller. The environmental friendly refrigerant is safer and will not cause any pollution. It is dual temperature and dual control. 2 water channels to cool 2 positions respectively, laser source and laser hand. Low temperature cooling laser source and high temperature cooling laser hand. The fast cooling speed can keep the laser source and the laser hand always in the best working condition. In addition, this water chiller also has a linkage protection. This will not cause the arm to the staff and ensure a safe working environment.
Now open this door, we can see the automatic lubrication system for the whole machine. And there are 3 remarkable attributes. Number 1, the system can smooth the guide rails, sliding blocks, and lead screws, racks, and other parts. Number 2, the oil can be reused. Number 3, you can set the lubricating plan according to your request.
Okay, let's back to the equipment itself. We can see these 2 gas connection. This is oxygen and nitrogen gas inlet. In general, oxygen is used to cutting carbon steel, and nitrogen is used to cutting stainless steel and aluminum and other materials. If you need air-assisted cutting, you need an air compressor to process the air and connect to nitrogen inlet. And we can see this blue pipe. The blue pipe is our exhaust system. It is equipped with an automatic start and stop smoke exhaust system.
Okay, let's just walk along the side of the machine and check what's in there. Okay. Right here is the laser source of the machine, and we are using max laser source now. Of course, IPG laser source is for your option too. And then in the middle of the machine, there are drives of servo motor. You can see there are 5 drives, and the brand is Yaskawa. Okay, then we'll check the built-in distribution box. As we can see, all the wires are very neat. If some problem occurs, you will check the wire directly.
Okay, let's check the industrial computer. This computer is an arm swing type. You can turn it freely and it's very flexible. And we can see this is SAP-card software control. The toolbox is very clear with detailed processing settings, and it can be mastered after simple training. Okay, let our engineer to show you how they're working.
First, we will show you the follow-up functions. And then we will cut out the sample. Okay, let's go. We'll take the sample from the box. Okay, thank you. We can see it is very clear edge. Beautiful square. Now about the FM 3050.